Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about comparative degree. Look at the examples. Jack is taller than John. Example number 2. Ram is junior to Shyam. Look here. Here the adjectives are taller, junior. These are adjectives. And these two adjectives are making comparison. And this comparison is between the two persons, and these are called comparative degree. Taller, comparative degree; junior, comparative degree. That means, as the definition of comparative degree, we can say that comparative degree is that form of adjective or adverb which expresses comparison between two persons or things or two objects, etc. That means, in one word, comparative degree means comparison between two persons or things or objects. Now I am telling you some special features of comparative degree. Generally, comparative degree, maximum comparative degree ends in ER and sometimes IOR or OR, and sometimes more, like more beautiful. This type of comparative degree also is possible. And generally, after the comparative degree, generally than is used, but some cases to can also be used. In maximum comparative degree, after the comparative word, generally than is used, but there are some words which ends in IOR or OR, like junior IOR, senior IOR, inferior IOR, superior IOR, anterior IOR, posterior, here also IOR, prior, here also IOR, and major OR, minor OR. That means these words only which end in I, OR or only OR. These words only take two after them in comparative degree. And these words, actually this type of words which take two after them in comparative degree, these words generally don't have any other degree. That means they are used only in comparative degree. They cannot be changed into positive, they cannot be changed into superlative. That means these words have only one degree, that is comparative degree. And after these words, generally than is not used, to is used in comparative degree. And generally these type of words are called Latin comparatives. This type of words which end in IOR or OR and which takes two after them, they are called Latin comparatives. These words are called Latin comparatives because they are sometimes somewhat peculiar. They do not have any form in positive degree, they do not have any form in superlative degree, they are used only in comparative degree. And after them, in place of then, to is used. They are called Latin comparatives. And generally, comparative degree, the word ends in ER. Sometimes it may be with more before the word. For example, example 3. For example, Rita is more beautiful. For example, Rita is more beautiful than Sita. For example, Rita is more beautiful than Sita. Here, more beautiful, it is also comparative degree, and after this comparative then is used. That means generally comparative degree is formed by adding ER to the word, and sometimes when the word is more than two syllable, more than one syllable, then more can be used before this before that word. And sometimes comparative degree may ends also with IOR, OR, etc. This is all about comparative degree and also Latin comparatives.